About to do an oil change here on my Deere John. Got the engine all nice and warmed up. And this is just under a $10 oil change. I don't know if these quarts of oil were on sale, but they were $3 a quart. I had bought a few of these a while back. These are usually about $3 each, $3.50. So we're gonna do an oil change real quick. You get some better flowage if you undo your dipstick and just kind of set that aside for the moment. And then on mine, I've got this little cap here. Very carefully just rotate it. It's gonna be hard to do this with one hand. There we go. It's not too bad. That's good enough. So I got the cap, put this back on, rotate it back. There we go. Now here's a trick I learned a long time ago with oil filters that are positioned like this. No matter what you do, it's gonna make a mess, but you can lessen it some. And in order to do that, what I like to do with these is pierce a hole in the bottom. So you get a small punch, small hammer. Like that, and let the filter drain out some. That lessens quite a bit of extra mess. So it's just about done. Grab your oil filter tool. I only put these on hand tight. I do not tighten them any more than I have to. You guys can see there's hardly anything left in the filter. So a new filter, ST3614. I've been running these for years. This lawn tractor's got hundreds of hours on it. No ill effects running an automotive filter on a small engine. Hand tight. No more. Now for the $3 chuck. Takes about 2 quarts. At least that's how much. I did leave about 8 ounces inside of this bottle, but we're gonna check the level, fill as needed. So now just to run it, check and verify the oil. It's good, right where it should be.